Students, welcome to All4's e-learning botany classes. Right, in yesterday's session we discussed a general introduction to inflorescence. Right, now listen here. Based on growth and development of peduncle, what's that? Based on growth and development of peduncle, inflorescence is of two types: racemose inflorescence and cymose inflorescence. Right? Based on what? Growth and development. Based on growth and development of peduncle. Based on growth and development of peduncle. Okay. Inflorescence is of two types. Inflorescence is mainly of two types. Is this statement okay? Right? Based on what, sir? Based on growth and development of peduncle. Inflorescence mainly of how many types? Two types. What are they? Number one, racemose inflorescence. What is the first one? Racemose inflorescence. Racemose inflorescence. Second one is a cymose inflorescence. What is the second one? Cymose inflorescence. Cymose inflorescence. Okay, right? Go for the first one. What's a racemose inflorescence? Go for racemose inflorescence. Racemose inflorescence. Racemose inflorescence. Okay, now see here, sir, this is peduncle. What is this one? Peduncle. Sir, all these are bracts. What are all these? All these are bracts. I am labeling one of the bract. Okay, from axil of these bracts. From where, sir? From axil of these bracts, what are developed? Flowers are developed. From axil of these bracts, what are developed? Flowers are developed. Now see here, sir, this is peduncle, right? This is peduncle. Sir, is there any flower in the tip of the peduncle? No. Therefore, tip of the peduncle does not terminate with a flower. The tip of the peduncle not terminated with a flower. So this peduncle grows continuously, indefinitely. Who is growing continuously or indefinitely? Peduncle. Why, sir? Because the tip of the peduncle has not terminated with a flower. Therefore, tip of the peduncle not having a flower, not terminated with a flower. So this peduncle grows indefinitely or continuously. That's why racemose inflorescence is also called as indefinite inflorescence. Racemose inflorescence is also called as indefinite inflorescence. Okay, I am writing this statement here. Tip of the what? Tip of peduncle. Tip of peduncle. Not terminated with flower. Not terminated. Not terminated with flower. Tip of the peduncle not terminated with flower. Sir, in the tip of the peduncle, is there any flower? No. Not terminated with a flower. Okay, right? So, what happens? So, peduncle grows how? Continuously. So, peduncle grows how, sir? Continuously or indefinitely. Who is growing continuously or indefinitely? Peduncle. So, racemose inflorescence is also called as a which inflorescence, sir? Indefinite inflorescence. Okay, right? So, racemose inflorescence. So, racemose what's sir? Inflorescence. So, racemose inflorescence is also called as So racemose inflorescence is also called as what? Indefinite inflorescence. What it is called as? Indefinite inflorescence. Indefinite inflorescence. Is this statement okay? Now see this diagram once. Sir, in this diagram, right, the tip of the peduncle has not terminated. Yes or no? Right? So growth of the peduncle takes place. Growth of the peduncle takes place. Sir, now on this part of the peduncle also what are formed, sir? Bracts are formed. From the axil of this bract, what are developed, sir? Flowers are developed. What are developed, sir? Flowers are developed. Now see this diagram. Sir, this becomes older flowers, sir, whereas these are younger flowers. Therefore, older flowers are at the base, whereas younger flowers are at the apex. Yes or no? Right. Sir, in later time, what happens? Again the growth of peduncle takes place. Again on this grown part of the peduncle, bracts are developed, flowers are developed. It means this becomes which flowers, sir? They becomes younger flowers, whereas this becomes older flowers. Therefore, in racemose inflorescence, the older flowers are at the base, whereas younger flowers are at the apex. This arrangement of flowers is called as acropetal manner. Therefore, flowers are arranged in acropetal manner. I am speaking about racemose inflorescence. In racemose inflorescence, arrangement of flowers is in which manner? Acropetal manner. Okay. Arrangement of flowers. What? Arrangement. Arrangement of what, sir? Flowers. Arrangement of flowers is in which manner? Acropetal manner. Arrangement of flowers is in acropetal manner. Sir, what is the meaning of acropetal manner, sir? Acropetal manner, just now I told. Right, basal. Basal, which flowers? Older flowers. Basal, older flowers are present. Yes or no? Right. Whereas upper, which flowers are present? Younger flowers are present. Upper younger flowers are present. Okay, right? Now see, sir, these are older flowers. Yes or no? These are younger flowers. Sir, which flowers opens first, sir? Older flowers opens first, then only younger flowers. It means opening of flowers is proceeding from where to where, sir? Opening of flowers is proceeding from base to apex. Therefore, opening of flowers is also in acropetal manner. Sir, what is the meaning of acropetal opening of flowers? Opening of flowers from base to apex. Why basal flowers are opening first? Because basal flowers are older flowers, whereas upper flowers are younger flowers. So opening of flowers is in which manner, sir? Acropetal manner, right? Okay. What is the statement just now I told? Opening of flowers. Opening of flowers. Opening of flowers, which manner? Acropetal manner. Acropetal manner. Acropetal manner. Sir, concerned to opening of flowers, what is the meaning of acropetal manner? Right, basal. What? Basal flowers. Basal flowers opens first. Right, later what happens? Upper flowers opens. Later upper flowers opens. Later upper flowers opens. Sir, simply we can say that opening of flowers proceeds from base to apex. What it is? Opening. Opening of what, sir? Opening of flowers. Opening of flowers from where to where? Opening of flowers from base to apex. What are opening? Flowers are opening. From where to where? Base to apex. This is called acropetal manner. In racemose inflorescence, in which inflorescence? Racemose inflorescence. If the peduncle is condensed, see the diagram. This is condensed peduncle. What happens, sir? Bracts comes close to one another. Bracts comes close to one another and forms a whole of bracts. And forms what, sir? A whole of bracts. See this diagram? Sir, I am speaking about racemose inflorescence. In racemose inflorescence, if peduncle is condensed, this is condensed peduncle. Condensed, coming close. Okay. Therefore, if peduncle is condensed, peduncle is like this. Here one bract is present, here one bract is present. This is peduncle, no? If this peduncle is condensed, what happens to all these bracts? They comes close to one another and forms a whole of bracts. Forms a whole of bracts. Okay. Sir, from axil of these bracts, what are developed, sir? From axil of these bracts, what are developed, sir? Flowers. Yes or no? What are developed, sir? Flowers are developed. All these are flowers. Sir, what is this one? It's condensed peduncle, no? What it is? Condensed peduncle. This is condensed peduncle. Now see this diagram. Sir, in racemose inflorescence, if peduncle is condensed, arrangement of flowers is in centripetal manner. Arrangement of flowers is in centripetal manner. Arrangement of flowers is in centripetal manner. How, sir? Because peripheral flowers are older flowers, whereas central flowers are younger flowers. Therefore, older flowers in the periphery, younger flowers in the center. So, arrangement of flowers is a centripetal manner. I am speaking about racemose inflorescence and condition is peduncle is condensed. In racemose inflorescence, if peduncle is condensed, arrangement of flowers is in centripetal manner. Older flowers in the periphery, younger flowers in the center. Sir, which flowers opens first? Older flowers opens first, then only younger flowers. It means opening of flowers is proceeding from where to where? Periphery to center, because older flowers are in the periphery, younger flowers are in the center. Therefore, opening of flowers proceeds from periphery to center. Therefore, opening of flowers is also in centripetal manner. Arrangement of flowers is centripetal. Opening of flowers is also centripetal. When, sir? If peduncle is condensed. Okay, right? Therefore, in racemose inflorescence, in what? Racemose inflorescence. In racemose inflorescence. In racemose inflorescence, if peduncle is condensed, if peduncle condensed, if peduncle is condensed, if peduncle is condensed, what happens? If peduncle is condensed, number one, arrangement of flowers. What it is? Arrangement of flowers. Arrangement of flowers. Which manner, sir? Centripetal manner. Arrangement of flowers, centripetal manner. Arrangement of flowers, which manner? Centripetal manner. Why, sir? Because peripheral older flowers are present. Peripheral older flowers are present, whereas central what are present? Younger flowers are present. Central younger flowers are present. Okay. Sir, in racemose inflorescence, if peduncle is condensed, number two, opening of flowers. Opening of what? Flowers. Opening of flowers. Opening of flowers, which manner? Centripetal manner. Opening of flowers, which manner? Centripetal manner. Opening of flowers, centripetal manner. It means opening of flowers proceeds from periphery to center. Yes or no? What? Opening of flowers. Opening of flowers from where to where? Periphery periphery to center. Okay, opening of flowers from periphery to center. So opening of flowers is in centripetal manner. Is this statement clear? Therefore, in racemose inflorescence, if peduncle is condensed, arrangement of flowers is in centripetal manner. Opening of flowers is also in centripetal manner. Right? We are discussing racemose inflorescence. Right? Now, see this diagram. Sir, in this diagram, the flower is with bract. Yes or no? What is this one? This is nothing but bract. Sir, this flower is with bract or without bract, sir? It is with bract. Flower with bract called as what? Bracteate flower. What it is called as? Bracteate flower. Therefore, in racemose inflorescence, flowers are bracteate. Flowers are bracteate. It means in racemose inflorescence, bracteate flowers are present. Now, see, sir, this is flower, right? The stalk of flower is called as what? Pedicel. The stalk of flower is called as what? Pedicel. The stalk of flower is called as pedicel. Therefore, in this diagram, right, flowers are pedicellate. Flowers are what? Pedicellate. Flowers are pedicellate. Now, once you see this diagram, this is peduncle, right? These are bracts. What are these? Bracts. From axil of bracts, what developed, sir? Flowers are developed. Now, see these flowers. Sir, these flowers not having a pedicel. These flowers are not having pedicel. Therefore, flower without pedicel. Flower without pedicel called as a sessile flower. Called as which flower? Sessile flower. Therefore, in racemose inflorescence, flowers are bracteate. See, bracteate flower, bracteate flower. But the flower may be either pedicellate or sessile. It means a flower may contain pedicel or may not contain pedicel. I am speaking about racemose inflorescence. Therefore, in racemose inflorescence, no doubt flowers are bracteate. They are with bracts. But a flower may have pedicel, may not have pedicel. Therefore, flower may be pedicellate or sessile. Okay, therefore, which inflorescence? Racemose inflorescence. In racemose inflorescence, right, flowers are bracteate. What is the meaning of bracteate flowers? Are flower with bracts. Therefore, flowers are bracteate and either what? Pedicellate. Either pedicellate or sessile. Either pedicellate or what, sir? Sessile. Either pedicellate or sessile. Okay. Now, see this statement. Sir, this racemose inflorescence we are discussing, right? Sir, this racemose inflorescence may be simple or compound. What? Racemose inflorescence. What it is? Racemose inflorescence. Racemose inflorescence, right, may be what, sir? Simple or compound. Racemose inflorescence may be simple or compound. Sir, what is the meaning of simple? What is the meaning of compound? Now, listen the statements. First, go for simple. What is the meaning of simple, sir? See here. Sir, this is peduncle, right? This is peduncle. Is there any branch on the peduncle? No. Therefore, peduncle is unbranched. Peduncle is unbranched. Flowers are present directly on the peduncle. Okay, this is simple. Therefore, simple means peduncle is unbranched. No branch on the peduncle. Where flowers are present, they are present on the peduncle directly as branches are absent. What it is called as simple. What it is called as simple. Therefore, what is the meaning of a simple, sir? What is the meaning of a simple? Peduncle is unbranched. Peduncle, how it is unbranched? Peduncle is unbranched. Yes or no? Right. Sir, in the case of simple, flowers are present. Flowers present where? Directly on peduncle. Flowers are present directly on what? peduncle. This is a case of what, sir? Simple, right? Therefore, this is simple, right? What it is, sir? This is simple. This is simple. Now go for compound. See here. Sir, this is peduncle, sir. What it is? Peduncle. Now, all these are bracts, sir. What are all these? Bracts. Now, from the axil of this bract, branch is developed. Sir, this is bract. From the axil of this bract, what is developed? A branch is developed. Axil of bract, branch is developed. Axil of bract, branch is developed. On these branches, what are present? Bracts are present. On these branches, what are present? Bracts are present. From axil of this bract, what are developed, sir? Flowers are developed. What are developed? Flowers are developed. Flowers are developed. Now see this diagram once. Sir, this is peduncle, right? What it is? This is peduncle. This is peduncle. This is peduncle. What are these? Branches. Therefore, sir, this is a branch. Therefore, peduncle branched or unbranched? Peduncle is branched. Where flowers are present? On branches. This is compound. Therefore, what is the meaning of compound, sir? What is the meaning of compound here? Right, peduncle. What it is? Peduncle is branched. Peduncle is branched. Flowers are present. Flowers are present. Flowers are present where? On branches. Flowers are present on what? Branches. Therefore, simple, right? Peduncle is unbranched. So, flowers are present directly on the peduncle. Compound, peduncle is branched. So, flowers are present on the branches. Flowers are present on the branches, right? Racemose inflorescence is of two types. Racemose inflorescence is of how many types? Two types. Racemose inflorescence is of two types. What are they? First one is racemose inflorescence with pedicellate flowers. What is the first one? Racemose inflorescence. Racemose, what it is? Racemose inflorescence with pedicellate flowers. Racemose inflorescence with what? Pedicellate flowers. Second one is racemose inflorescence with sessile flowers. What is the second one? Racemose inflorescence. Racemose inflorescence with what? Sessile flowers. Therefore, racemose inflorescence is of how many types? Two types. What are they? Racemose inflorescence with pedicellate flowers. Second one is racemose inflorescence with sessile flowers. Okay. Go for the first one. What it is? Go for the first one. What it is? Racemose inflorescence. What it is? Racemose inflorescence with pedicellate flowers. Yes or no? Racemose inflorescence with which flowers? Pedicellate flowers. Racemose inflorescence with pedicellate flowers. Sir, this racemose inflorescence with pedicellate flowers is of 6 types. Racemose inflorescence with pedicellate flowers is of how many types? 6 types. What are they? Number 1. First one is simple raceme. What is the first one? Simple raceme. Simple raceme. Second one is compound raceme. What is the second one? Compound raceme. Compound raceme. Third one is a simple coriumb. What is the third one? Simple coriumb. Fourth one is compound coriumb. What is the fourth one? Compound coriumb. Fifth one is a simple umbel. What is? Simple umbel. Simple umbel. Sixth one is compound umbel. What is the sixth one? Compound umbel. Therefore, see once. Sir, simple raceme, compound raceme. simple coriumb, compound coriumb, simple umbel, compound umbel. Easy to remember. Raceme, simple compound. Coriumb, simple compound. Umbel, simple compound. Okay, shall we go for the first one? What it is? Simple raceme, simple raceme. Right, go for the first one. What it is, sir? Simple raceme, right? Simple raceme. Each and every statement will be in the diagram. Therefore, you should be careful with the diagram. Okay, if you get the diagram, you will get the statements. Listen. In the diagram, first we have to draw peduncle. What we have to draw first? Peduncle. See, this is peduncle. Okay. Now next, on peduncle, what should be? Bracts. On peduncle, what should be? Bracts. Now you see whether it is simple or compound. Simple. Sir, simple means the peduncle is unbranched. What you have to get now? Flowers. Simple, no? Therefore, you have to get what, sir? Flowers. How to get flowers? Okay. This is simple raceme. Therefore, how we are going to write the statements? Sir, simple peduncle is unbranched. Peduncle. How it is? Unbranched. Peduncle is unbranched. Sir, these flowers, they are with bracteate flowers. They are with pedicel, pedicellate flowers. See, bracteate flowers, pedicellate flowers. Bract is present, pedicel is present. Therefore, bracteate pedicellate flower this is. This bracteate pedicellate flowers, they are arranged in acropetal manner because this is racemose inflorescence. They will be in which manner? Acropetal manner. Okay. Sir, what is this one, sir? Peduncle. Therefore, on peduncle, bracteate pedicellate flowers are arranged in acropetal manner. Therefore, on what? Peduncle. On elongated peduncle. On what? Elongated peduncle. Right. Which flowers? Bracteate. Bracteate. Right. Pedicellate. Bracteate pedicellate flowers. Bracteate pedicellate flowers are arranged. Bracteate pedicellate flowers are arranged in which manner? Acropetal manner. Arranged in acropetal manner. Okay, this is what, sir? Simple raceme. This is simple raceme. Right, sir. Examples for simple raceme I am writing. Examples for simple raceme I am writing. First one is crotalaria. What is the first one? Crotalaria. Second one is mustard. What is the second one? Mustard. Mustard. Third one is radish. What is the third one, sir? Radish. Crotalaria juncea, sun hemp. Mustard, Brassica nigra, mustard. Raphanus sativus, radish. Therefore, in crotalaria, mustard and radish, you are going to see simple raceme. What you are going to see? Simple raceme, right? Now go for number 2. Go for the second one. What it is, sir? Second one is compound raceme. What is the second one? Second one is compound raceme. Compound raceme. Sir, compound raceme is also called as panicle. Compound raceme is also called as what? Panicle. Panicle. P-A-N-I-C-L-E. Panicle. Okay. Now, I already told you should be careful with the diagram. In the diagram, first what we have to draw? Peduncle. This is peduncle. Next comes what? Bracts. These are bracts. Now you see. Simple or compound? Compound. Compound means what should come? Branches. Compound means what should come? Branches should come. Branches. Now on these branches, what are present? Bracts are present. On these branches, what are present? Bracts are present. Okay. Sir, this is also a branch. Here also what are present? Here also bracts are present. Okay. Therefore, on branches you are going to see bracts. Okay. From the axil of these bracts, what are developed? From axil of the bracts, what are developed? flowers are developed. From axil of the bracts, what are developed? Flowers are developed. Here also from axil of bracts, what developed? Flowers are developed. Now see this diagram. Sir, this is peduncle. What are these? Branches. Therefore, peduncle is branched. And flowers are present on the branches. Yes or no? See this branch. Sir, this branch resembles a simple raceme. See here. Therefore, peduncle is branched and each branch resembles simple raceme. So, in compound raceme, peduncle is branched. Each branch is resembling simple raceme. Therefore, this branch is a simple raceme. This branch is a simple raceme. This branch is a simple raceme. Therefore, compound raceme is a raceme of racemes. Because having many simple racemes. So, compound raceme is a raceme with many racemes. Yes or no? Therefore, raceme of racemes. Raceme of racemes. Okay. What is sir? Compound raceme. I am writing the statements. Peduncle. Peduncle. Branched or unbranched? Peduncle is branched. Okay. Sir, each branch resembles. Each branch, what sir? Resembles. Each branch resembles what? Simple raceme. Each branch resembles simple raceme. Therefore, in compound raceme, many simple racemes are there. In compound raceme, many simple racemes are there. So, we are calling compound raceme as what? Raceme of racemes. Raceme of racemes. Who is that one? Compound raceme. Now I am writing examples for compound raceme. Examples for compound raceme. First one is mango. I am writing examples for compound raceme. Examples for compound raceme. Mango. Second one is neem. What is sir? Neem. Next, gulmohar. Gulmohar. What is Gulmohar? And next one is tobacco. What is tobacco? Therefore, what are the examples for compound raceme? Mango, Mangifera indica. What is the second one? Neem. Number 3, Gulmohar. Number 4, tobacco. These are examples for compound raceme. Sir, tobacco comes under which family? I am speaking about tobacco. Tobacco comes under Solanaceae family. Tobacco comes under which family? Solanaceae family. Right? Now go for number 3. What is simple coriumb? What is simple coriumb? Simple coriumb. Simple coriumb. Now I already told you in the diagram, first we have to draw what? Peduncle. First we have to draw peduncle. Next comes what? Bracts. Bracts. Now you see, simple or compound? Simple. Branch should come or flowers should come? Flowers should come. What should come, sir? Flowers should come. See here. Sir, this is a branch or a flower, sir? No doubt this is a flower. It's not a branch because I already told you it's simple. Therefore, how branch will come? All these are flowers. Sir, then what is this one, sir? This is stalk of the flower, nothing but pedicel. Sir, do pedicel length is same for all flowers? No. Pedicel length is different. Sir, all these flowers, are they developed from the same point? No. This flower, right, developed at this point. If you see this flower, it is developed at this point. Therefore, flowers are developed at different points, different nodes, N-O-D-E-S, but brought to same height. Even though flowers are developed at different nodes, all these flowers are brought to same height due to the presence of difference in length of the pedicel. As pedicel length is different, even though these flowers are developed at different nodes, they are brought to same height. Okay, right? Therefore, simple coriumb, peduncle. What is peduncle? Unbranched. Peduncle is unbranched, no branch in the peduncle. Sir, here also no doubt flowers are bracteate flowers, pedicellate flowers. Yes or no? Right. Therefore, bracteate, pedicellate flowers. What they are? Bracteate. It means flower with bract. Pedicellate, flowers with pedicel. Therefore, bracteate pedicellate flowers, bracteate pedicellate flowers developed at same node or different nodes? Developed at different nodes. You can see the diagram. Flowers are developed at different nodes, no? Therefore, flowers developed at different nodes. Developed at different nodes, but brought to same height. Should be careful. Brought to same height. Brought to same height. Sir, how these flowers developed at different nodes are brought to same height, sir? Due to the presence of a different length of pedicels. Therefore, right, due to different length of what? Pedicel. Due to different length of pedicel, flowers are brought to same height. Flowers brought to same height. Flowers are brought to same height. Now go for examples of simple coriumb. Examples of simple coriumb. Examples of simple coriumb. First one is cassia or cassia. Cassia or cassia. Second one is capsella. What is the second one, sir? Capsella. And third one is candy tuft. What is the third one? Candy tuft. T-U-F-T. This candy tuft is also called as iberis. What it is called as? Iberis. I-B-E-R-I-S. Iberis. Sir, this capsella and candy tuft both belongs to Brassicaceae family. What and what, sir? This capsella and candy tuft. Capsella and candy tuft both comes under which family? Brassicaceae family. Okay. Now go for next one. What it is, sir? Number 4. Go for the fourth one. That is compound coriumb. What it is? Compound coriumb. Compound coriumb. Sir, in the diagram, first what we have to draw? We have to draw peduncle first. Okay, this is peduncle, right? Sir, next comes bracts. Yes, sir. Next comes what, sir? Bracts. Now you see, simple or compound? It's compound. Sir, compound means flowers or branches should come, sir. Branches should come. No, I already told you branches should come. What should come, sir? Branches should come. Branches should come. Therefore, all these are what, sir? All these are branches. Now, again on these branches, what are present, sir? Bracts are present. Yes or no? Sir, from axil of these bracts, what are developed, sir? Flowers are developed. What are developed? Flowers are developed. Sir, do these flowers developed at the same point, sir? No. Even though these flowers are developed at different nodes, they are brought to same height due to the presence of different lengths of pedicel. Therefore, pedicel length is different. See here, this is the length of the pedicel here, but here this is the length of the pedicel. Therefore, as the length of pedicel is different, even though flowers developed at different nodes, they are brought to same height. Sir, this is also a branch, sir. On branch, what are present? Bracts are present. From axil of this bract, what are developed? Flowers are developed. These flowers developed at different nodes, but they are brought to same height. Brought to same height. They are brought to same height due to difference in length of the pedicel. Okay, this is what? Compound coriumb, right? Now this is compound coriumb, right? What happened here, sir? Peduncle. Peduncle is branched. Okay. Each branch resembles. Each what? Branch resembles. Each branch resembles what? Simple coriumb. Simple coriumb. Each branch is resembling simple coriumb. Right? Therefore, here how many coriums are there? This is a simple coriumb, this is a simple coriumb. From here also a simple coriumb is developed. Therefore, compound coriumb is a coriumb of coriums. Therefore, compound corium, it is a coriumb of what? Coriums. It is a coriumb of coriums. Go for example of what's our compound coriumb. First one, Pyrus malus. What is the first example? Pyrus malus. Common name is apple. What is the common name of Pyrus malus? Apple. I am writing the second example for compound corium. It is a Brassica oleracea. Brassica oleracea variety. Botrytis. What is the scientific name? Brassica oleracea variety botrytis. This is the genus word. Okay. This is the species word. And this is the variety. In plants, we will call it as variety. If it is animals, we will call the third word as a subspecies. In case of plants, the third word is named as a variety. Okay. Therefore, Brassica oleracea variety botrytis. Common name for this Brassica oleracea variety botrytis. Its common name is cauliflower or cauliflower. Is it okay? Sir, in case of cauliflower, right, peduncle is fleshy. Very, very important. Right, in cauliflower, peduncle is fleshy. Sir, in cauliflower, what we are eating? Complete inflorescence is edible. Complete inflorescence is edible in cauliflower. Therefore, what is the edible part in cauliflower? Complete inflorescence. What is the inflorescence name? Compound corium. Therefore, in cauliflower, what is used as a vegetable? Inflorescence is used as vegetable. Okay. Therefore, cauliflower, number one, peduncle is fleshy. In cauliflower, complete inflorescence is edible. That is compound corium is edible. Okay. In cauliflower, right, what is used as a vegetable? What is used as vegetable? This compound corium inflorescence is used as vegetable in the case of cauliflower. Is it okay? Right? Thank you.